Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Richard's Big Adventure, where every day is just another adventure. Think we're gonna make a scrap run today. I'm gonna go back yonder and see if I can find some stuff to put together and throw on the truck and take to the scrap yard. See, Jack thinks that's a good idea. You can see him over there. This is my buddy, my farm dog. Jack, what you doing, buddy? Come here, boy. Smile for the camera, buddy. He's old. He's about 14 years old now. He has trouble getting around a little bit. I leave him loose now because he don't go far. This hot weather's getting with him though. But we only got a week or two left. We'll see, but let me go find out what we can load up here. We'll talk to y'all in a few minutes. Okay, everybody, here's what we got today. We got some screens, several of those that we're taking, some aluminum extrusion, some aluminum looks like flashing. Then I got a gutter. I got these letters that are broken and been sitting around here for a long time. I got two eyes. I might ought to, they're aluminum, maybe I ought to hang on to those. I think I'll hang on to those a little while. But this end pretty much had it. But, well, you know, I'm gonna hang on to those. I've been hanging on to them for about 3 years. I hang on to them a little bit longer, I guess. Anyway, get back to what I was saying. We got an aluminum pan, aluminum pot. We got these things off of ceiling fans. Now, according to me, those aren't aluminum, and I doubt they're brass. So, we'll see what they are. Anyway, they'll tell me. Got some more aluminum flashing. Don't know if I mentioned the drink cans, the aluminum cans. I know I've been, y'all have probably seen me the last couple times on some of my dumpster dives and what have you, collecting cans. I'm gonna kind of show you why on this trip, I believe. But I got 2 cans there so far. I might have one more under the shelter to put on there. But also got this 5-gallon bucket of insulated wire. I want to go ahead and get it out in the way, I believe. I know a lot of you guys seem to think you need to strip it, but that one I'm not gonna. I think that's probably the load for today, unless I can stir up something else around here. I know I can. If y'all are worried about wire, right there on top of that truck, that's all insulated wire. And I still got a bunch laying around here. Got a few TVs, a couple vacuum cleaners that still got the wire in them. I still got plenty of scrap, so I ain't real worried about it. But anyhow, this is what we're gonna try today. And I've been warned that I probably didn't want to mix up a lot of shred with non-ferrous stuff when I took it over there, or non-ferrous, excuse me, when I took it over there, because they're liable to kind of get it mixed up a little bit. But anyway, this is what we got today. This is what we're gonna take and see what we can get for. I guess we'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Hey everybody, we on the road here, on our way. I happened to talk the wife into going with me. I don't know how I get her to hang around with me. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Alrighty. We'll let you know how we make out today. Okay guys, Sorry about that. Here's a rundown. That sheet aluminum we got $6 for. I had 3 trash cans of those cans. I got $15.50 for those. Had some yellow brass that was $4, and that 11 pounds of insulated copper, it was number 2 copper, I got $3.85 for. Now I'm not real sure about that insulated copper. That was like cords off of vacuum cleaners and what have you. I'm not sure if that's number 2 insulated or number 1 insulated. If you don't mind, in the comments, kind of tell me what you think that would be. Number 2 insulated or number 1 insulated. There's a lot of difference in the price, I'll tell you that. On the way back, we kind of looked around a little bit over there. Actually, we got more coming back than we did going. This chair is one of those chairs that sits you up and down. I don't know what that is. Must be part of that chair. Anyway, it's one of those chairs that lifts you up and lifts you down, and it is heavy. It took 2 of us to load it. Me and the wife give me a hand with it, so I'll break that down after a while and see what's going on. Got me a chair, mop handle, and a piece of scrap metal there, but so I almost come back with more than I left with, which is a good thing. Anyway, I guess that'll wrap this one up, guys. Appreciate y'all tagging along and watching. I sure do appreciate everybody that watches my videos and subscribes to my channel. Please subscribe. Please like this video, and please leave me a comment. And thank you so much for watching. And we'll talk to y'all later. Don't know if I told y'all or not, but the total for that load was $29. And just wanted to, I couldn't remember whether I told you what the total was or not.